Hello everyone, I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's Odds and Ends. If this is your first time here, be sure and subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of all of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel out. And now, on with the video.
Hello everybody, it's time for another dining review. This time we're at the Ale and Compass in the Yacht Club Resort at Disney World. We do a dining review the first Friday of every month. Please check them out, and if you've ever eaten at any of the restaurants that we've reviewed here, please let us know in the comments what you thought of it. Anyway, on to what we're having tonight. We opted to start with the bread service, which is Parker House rolls. Comes with 3 different spreads. A citrus butter closest to me, the bacon jam in the middle, and pub cheese on the end. I've tried the bacon jam, very bacony flavored, a little sweeter than I thought. The waitress suggested to try the bacon jam and the pub cheese together, which is what Lori's trying. We'll see what she thinks of that.
Oh my goodness. I tried the pub cheese. Excuse me, the salt.
All right, edit that out.
I tried the pub cheese. Well, you can leave it in. Tried the pub cheese prior, and it was delicious. You can really taste the cream cheese in it. But she said put the bacon jam on the pub cheese. Oh, that's amazing. You've got to try it, Bill. It's so good.
I will give it a try. All right, just some quick thoughts about our bread service. The rolls are pretty basic. They were almost a little greasy because of all the butter that was melted on them, but good flavor. The star of the show is the different spreads. Tried each one individually. The pub cheese is very cheesy, got a little bit of a bite to it. The bacon jam is bacony and just a little sweet. Mm-hmm. The citrus butter is, and I tried to place it. It tastes very citrusy, but it tastes like a citrus peel, like orange peel or lemon peel, but still really good. So then we got a little crazy and decided to do some mixing and matching. The waitress recommended the pub cheese and the bacon jam together, and that was just amazing. Think a bacon cheeseburger with no hamburger patty on it. And that's about what it tasted like. It was really good. The citrus butter and the bacon jam was also an interesting combination. The bacon jam had a tendency to tone down the citrus a little bit, and it brought out the sweetness of the bacon jam. Anyway, it looks like our food is arriving, so we'll, oh my goodness, look at that. We'll have to give you a shot of what this is going to be like. I opted for the 10-ounce New York strip, cooked medium, also come with some greens and truffle fries. And Lori got the lemon-baked half chicken, which I believe she tried once before when we ate over in the lounge. So we're going to dig in and see how good this stuff really is. I'm looking forward to the steak. I haven't had a steak this whole trip. All right, here we go. Here's a steak. I got it cooked medium. Looks a little bit beyond medium, maybe, but looks pretty tasty. I'll try it just like this, and then I'll try another piece with their house steak sauce and see what that tastes like. First bite, very flavorful. New York strip is a little tougher than I'm used to. I almost always get a filet. But all in all, really good. Try a bite with the steak sauce now. All right, the meal's done. We're sitting here debating on dessert. My steak was really good. Like I said earlier, it's not my normal choice of cut, but still is very flavorful. It also came with mixed greens, which were like mixed greens, and truffle fries. The truffle fries were very, very good. So far, very pleased with this meal. We'll see what Lori thinks of hers, then we'll be on to dessert.
The chicken was delicious, as usual, flavorful. Potatoes were a little underdone, but the flavor was good. The broccolini was delicious. Our granddaughter calls it cockle. So, of course, I had to send them a picture and tell them that the cockle was very good. And overall, it was delicious. The bread service was good. Now we're just waiting on dessert.
All right, dessert has arrived. I have the Enchanted Forest cake, which is a 50th anniversary dessert. And I also got a chocolate martini. Lori got a 12-layer chocolate cake and a cup of coffee. So we're going to finish off our meal and then we'll give you our final thoughts. All right, here's kind of a cross-section of the Enchanted Forest cake. The outside obviously is chocolate, and then the lighter colored center is mascarpone, and I believe that is a cherry filling on the inside with kind of a cookie crumble cake on the bottom, and you have some white chocolate accoutrement on top with some edible gold leaf.
Mine is good. The raspberries are delicious. The chocolate's delicious. It's flourless chocolate cake, so it's not heavy at all. And but it is still a lot after dinner. But it's delicious.
Dessert's all done. The Enchanted Chocolate Cake was pretty good. This is a 50th anniversary item. I think the sour cherry center is what really sold it. It was pretty good. Had the chocolate martini for an after dinner drink. Very chocolatey and very strong. They really heavy poured on the vodka in that one. All in all, it was a great meal. We've eaten here before, back when it was a different name. The decor is a little different. It used to be very nautical themed and much brighter. Now it's a darker wood and more upscale appearing. Food was great. Would definitely recommend to anybody looking for a good meal at the Yacht Club to stop by and give it a try. So we'll turn it over to Lori and let her finish up. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and thanks for watching. One more thought, just for informational purposes. It was a pretty good value for money, considering all the food we ate. The total before tip did include an annual pass discount, and it came to $128.59. Meal for two, as good as it was and as much food as we got, I thought that was good value for money. So we'll end it here and see you on the next one.
This has been an odd production. Thanks for watching.